Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Mercedes-Benz EPC, a powerful tool used for looking up part numbers and vehicle components. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use this software to find the correct parts for your vehicle. Before we get started, let me give you a quick introduction. Mercedes-Benz EPC is a professional tool used to look up part numbers and vehicle components for Mercedes-Benz vehicles. With EPC, you can search parts by VIN, model, or part number, view detailed system diagrams, check SA codes and factory installed options, and find the correct replacement parts quickly and accurately. This is an essential tool for technicians, workshops, and anyone working with Mercedes vehicles. Now, let's see how it works step by step. First, enter the VIN number into Mercedes-Benz EPC. This allows the system to identify the exact vehicle configuration. After entering the VIN, EPC will display the data card. The data card contains vehicle specifications, SA codes, equipment codes, installed options from factory. This is extremely important because it helps you identify the exact parts installed on the vehicle, compatible replacement parts. Without checking the data card, you might select the wrong part. Now go to the engine system. You can view detailed diagrams and find the exact part number for each component. This helps you quickly identify and select the correct replacement parts. Finally, let's check the steering gear system. Just like before, you can view the structure and find the correct part numbers for each component. This makes it easy to avoid ordering the wrong parts. That's how you use Mercedes-Benz EPC to look up part numbers quickly and accurately. If you need more information about the software, feel free to contact us for support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about automotive software and diagnostics. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.